11. We're late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30. School starts at 8.
7:30? Oh no. Okay, let's move.
Anna. Tom, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 more minutes today. We're going to school. My little sweetheart, come out of bed. My love, wake up. The sun is up too.
Stretch out.
2 sets of underwear, 2 new pairs of socks, shorts, a skirt, and 2 new uniform shirts. Everything is ready. Oh, wow, it fits. Now, brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth. Wash my face. Wash your face.
Time to eat. Breakfast is waiting. My love, don't be too slow. Breakfast is waiting. Let's go.
Sit down. Check my phone.
Drink 1 glass of milk.
I want soft drink.
Not good for health.
Super delicious sandwiches. Thank you for breakfast, Mom.
Breakfast, water bottle. Homework. Where is your homework?
On the table. And coffee for us?
Of course. No morning without coffee.
Mom, I packed my notebook and pencils.
Good job. Tom, do you have your lunchbox?